Hello, good day. So I found something that was sold as a toy for kids, but I saw that and I thought, wait a minute, I think that's great for kids and adults too, and like not too expensive, so I want to try this today. Kids instant print camera. Little pocket there, that is great. Oh, it is so small. Little lanyard. I guess that's to attach the photo print somewhere. I don't know. Little cable. Pens to decorate your photos once they are printed. 3 rolls. The camera itself, it's really tiny. So that's the front with the lens there. So that's the back. You have your little screen with a lot of options. I think you can even play games on this. Are you ready? Yeah. Ooh, nice. I chose this one, but there are plenty of other models online on Amazon for like 30 euros, 40 euros. That's fantastic. Little card in there. It's even sold with the card. 32 gigabytes. So I don't see any battery compartment, so I'm guessing you can only charge it with that cable. Right, so little decorations for your prints and more stickers if you want to put on your camera. So the dinosaurs and all that. And little trucks and whatnot, and more dinosaurs, because who doesn't love dinosaurs? Should I put some? No, let's not be that crazy. This one is definitely my favorite, and this one is a close second. Oh, maybe I should have charged it this morning. Ah, very easy. Oh wow, camera resolution. You can go from 3 million pixels to 20 million. What is that? I'm going to leave it. No, that was a 20 first. Okay, I'm going to select 12. Okay. Video resolution, what do we have? Oh, we have 720, 1080. Oh, let's leave it at 1080. Okay. I'm not sure I'm going to film a video. I just really want to test the printing abilities. But, alright, volume. I'm going to leave the volume like this. This is too funny. Should I? Oh, it's not even at the loudest. That's the loudest. Okay, no, not that loud. Print density. Oh, low, medium or high. Okay, let's leave it at medium. I want to try to film a video, just a short one, just to show you. So that is just a small video in 1080. Yeah. That is my face on this camera. I'm going, if possible, to use the sound on there. How do I stop it? Camera? Yeah. So that's how to put the film, the paper inside. So you may have tried like Instax or Polaroid already, but as you may know, it's pretty expensive. Like in France, that's about, at least for Instax, which is cheaper than the Polaroid paper. It's like €1 per photo. And with that, you're printing in black and white. It's a different style, obviously, but honestly, it has quite some charm to it. And yeah, it's much cheaper because it's basically those rolls, paper rolls that you have in cash registers, right? And you don't need any ink too. It's laser printing. Alright, obviously it's displaying color there, but you have to think that if you want to print the photo, it's going to be black and white. And then oh wow, pretty detailed, honestly. Oh yeah, it's printing the date, but the date is wrong. I'm not going to bother with the date. Print mode. Okay, so that was gray print. Now let's try dot print. That's the dot process. Oh, which one do I like better? This one seems more detailed. This one is more stylish, maybe? The second one. Okay, let's go out and try this. Alright, that's a bench. First of all, right now I'm using the Lumix S5. The microphone is there, so the sound should be alright. I'm using the neoclassic mode right now. I want to film with that mode for today. I am also testing my new bag. So we are going to test the camera at the park. Alright, so let's go for a nice little walk. The key is that I obviously want to find something that will look good in black and white and in low quality, and not everything is suited for that, I think. Do you think that all the little labels could do something? Not really great, this one. Do you think it can handle texture and shadow? Not great, not great. I'm also kind of guessing that this mode with the dots is actually not the best. So I kind of want to try to go into the settings and to choose the other grey mode instead of dot print, you know. There is way more contrast on that one. I guess you would have to choose depending on what you're taking a photo of. So dark. Dots there, grey print there. They are both not really the best, honestly, with that. Also notice that it's 4 p.m. but the sun is already, like, it's a sunny day, but it's already setting, sort of. What about that though? Oh, I have to go way back. Not too bad, but kind of. It's yeah, I still think I prefer the grey mode over the dots mode. It's kind of occurring to me basically that things will need to be way more lit in order to look good on this thing. Otherwise they're just too dark. That is a cool building. I want to see how it looks on that camera, but there is no, like, look, the sun is already, it's already setting. It's only 4:20, no joke. Alright, maybe slightly better. Alright, slightly better. I want to try maybe with the dots. I think I still prefer the grey over the dots. I think I still prefer the grey mode, so I'm going to put it back to grey. Forgot to set it back to grey, so now grey. There is a person with a dog. I don't think the dog will be visible. Okay, so that is sort of alright. The scene is not too dark. We still have a lot of dark, but it's evenly lit. It would be better with more light. Well, a winter light at 4 p.m. is not doing it. I don't really think that you could call this a tool to learn photography, considering you can't really change your settings like your aperture, speed, ISO, all that. You can change the printing settings basically, that's it. The good thing about it though, I would say, is that it can be interesting for a child to have the instant results, and you can try it way more than with an Instax or Polaroid because well, it's much cheaper. And also if you want to learn, so like for a child or a beginner, you do get the sense of the light, so you need to figure out a proper lighting for that, so that it looks good on the paper, because if you don't have the proper lighting, it's going to look like shit. And it's also, I'm guessing, also a good thing in order to have like an instant memory or of something, just like you would do with an Instax or Polaroid. So yeah, that's also good for like instant memories, but the results are really clearly not as good as with an Instax or Polaroid. I'm just going to say Instax from now on because I don't use Polaroid anyway. I am also guessing that this is the sort of thing that you're more likely to use at home and take photos of people and not outside of landscapes. Now that's a cool view. Alright. That's not great. It's already like way too dark. Alright, so I really like the idea of that camera, having an instant camera but which is much cheaper, and that can be a great way to have instant memories, not as expensive as an Instax or Polaroid, and which can be a great introduction for a child or a beginner because you're not afraid to waste a ton of money that way. But I am not really satisfied with the results that I'm seeing today outside with a light that's not super great, and considering it might also be used like a lot inside with family and friends as a way to take memories, I'm going to do a second part to this video. I will be testing it inside and trying to get creative with the lighting. Alright, so thank you for watching. I will see you in part 2 of this video, and I will see you tomorrow for the new video anyway.